welcome back. This is Afternoon Express on your Monday afternoon. Now, we're about to get baking in the kitchen, but now no real dessert is complete without some butter, because butter makes everything better. Now, basically, you know, in those old-fashioned microwaves, our lives have been so much easier in the loft, basically, with this new LG NeoChef. But what makes this microwave so incredible, apart from the beautiful design, of course, is the way it's powered. So you remember those old-fashioned microwaves? They would have, you know, it'll have like this kind of noise in the background that goes and then stops, and then goes and then stops. So basically, it's because if you have an older conventional microwave, you'll hear that the noise it makes goes on and off, basically, like what I've just described. So that's the sound of the power on and off to regulate the heat. And what ends up happening is that your food is heated inconsistently. So if you look at this one, let's press start. I'm going to melt some butter now for the kitchen. So basically, sometimes your food isn't heated consistently. So it goes hot on the outside and ice cold in the middle. It's just not even. So basically, LG's innovative smart inverter technology is able to keep the temperature in the microwave at a constant, which not only saves on electricity, but allows a much more even and precise cooking and heating. So no more defrosting meat where when the center is like rock hard, where the outside is basically cooked and delicious. So basically, I'm going to be making, well, no, I'm not going to be making, but they're going to be making some baklava in the kitchen, and I've just heated the butter, and it's just happened so easily. 10 more seconds, and all of it is going to be melted. You see, normally the outsides of the butter would be melted, and then there'd be like this little blob in the middle. Not today, friends. And because butter wouldn't melt in my mouth, thank goodness I have this fine friend. Ta-da! Perfectly melted butter. So I'll trade you guys for some butter for half a baklava.
I think that's it. That's fair.
Done deal.
There you go. Thank you. I'll come back when it's ready.